All right, do you have a driver's license?
I don't have it on me, but I know my driver's license.
Why don't you have your license on you?
I forgot it. Can I call my mom?
No, ma'am, there's no reason to call your mom. Slurred speech, she got several things going.
Okay.
What's she bawling now?
Yep.
What are you upset about?
I just want my mom.
Why does that have to, what, okay. When you smoke or when you drink alcohol or anything that is intoxicating, okay, you can't operate the vehicle.
No,
when that
yeah, but I was
intoxication
parked
gets
when I smoked.
Huh?
I was parked when I smoked.
But immediately after you're driving.
I can't, yeah. Call my mommy.
Alright. You're fine. You're 21.
I have my cousin's gun on me.
Pardon me? I've got a gun, yep. Let go of it! Let go of it! Let go!
I might be pregnant too, I don't know.
She thinks it's just a broken taillight and an expired tag. What she doesn't know is that in the next 20 minutes, one sentence, "I have my cousin's gun on me," is going to turn a routine traffic stop into a full-blown DUI investigation, a Miranda warning, and a scene where 3 grown deputies freeze the moment her hand disappears into her waistband. Keep that sentence in mind. We'll come back to it. Hello, driver. This stops being audio and video recording.
Hello, driver. This stops audio and video recorded. Okay, you've been stopped for a license plate. I can't understand what your plate's reading there.
Alright, so I just drove from Miranda. So I've been trying to get my car registered and insured, but I'm going to my mom's house. She's supposed to be doing it.
Okay, all right.
Because I couldn't register and insure it because the paper was signed wrong. But I'm going. She got my.
So
paper.
that tag's expired, right? That's on the back of the car.
I just found that out just yesterday.
Okay, all right. You have a driver's license?
I don't have it on me, but I know my driver's license.
Why don't you have your license on you?
I forgot it. All my stuff is in my mom's car. I'm meeting her right now.
Okay.
You want me to call her?
No, what I want you to do is write your information down here for me. I need your Florida driver's license information. Do you have a Florida driver's license?
I'm from Rhode Island.
Have you ever had a Florida driver's license?
No, I just moved down here.
Give me your name, date of birth, and your current address. Hey, go ahead and call it out for me, would you?
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll be able to read that tag or not.
Tango 15, 1050.
I just been going through a lot.
I understand.
I'm moving, yeah, my family, and when I moved down here, my family's moving also.
Okay.
So, the fact that they move in, the fact that the fact that I moved down here and we moving up, and then the fact that I moved down here, I called them when they're moving.
Okay. You've been stopped because I couldn't read your tag. I know. My mom's supposed to be handling the registration. The insurance paper got signed wrong, tags expired. I just found out yesterday. You got a license on you. I don't have it on me, but I know the number. I am 21 years old. Rhode Island transplant.
Do you want my license number in case?
Your license number? Yes, ma'am. That would be very helpful.
Should be like that.
All right. How old are you? You look very young.
Yeah, thank you. It's the Asian in me.
So, it's a Rhode Island, is that right?
Yes. So I'm just.
Sydney? How do you say your last name?
I'm just gonna. Yeah, my mom said that she was helping me. Like, we tried to register it yesterday at the
Yeah.
but she said that they said that the person that sold me the car didn't sign in the right area, so we
Okay.
had to fix it. And I forgot the car. I forgot to take the money in my car.
We'll figure it all out, but you got to give me a minute, okay?
All right.
Do you have any paperwork for this car inside this car?
No, it's in my mom's car.
No paperwork for the license plate?
No, isn't. Can I get the picture from her? It's in her car because I tried to register my car yesterday.
No, that's okay. What I'm going to have you do is set your phone down and come on.
No Florida license history. And already, before the deputy even gets to the window fully, something's off. Her words are running together. There's a smell coming off the car that has nothing to do with expired tags. She's got impairment.
Come on out over here and stand with the officer on the curb, okay? While I figure out this car, okay? You just leave your phone in the car.
Can I call my mom?
No, ma'am. There's no reason to call your mom. If we need it in a minute, we'll get the phone for you. Just stay with these officers right here.
Come over here, just around the street, right?
One officer mutters to his partner, just off mic, smell that burnt cannabis. She's an active smoker.
Just come to that window. I'm live and I'm going to stay live, but she looks like she's got impairment and you can smell the burnt cannabis in the car.
Yeah, there's a bunch of.
So she's actively driving a smoke. Oh, there's some in there?
It's old, like.
Okay,
roaches,
yeah, that's fine. She's been active smoker with us now right before she got in the car, but she's slurred speech. She got several things going.
Okay.
What's she bawling now?
Yep.
That's the moment this stops being a paperwork problem. The deputy steps her out, walks her to the shade, and does something a lot of officers skip. He actually explains what's about to happen, instead of just barking orders.
Hey, Sydney, can you stand up for me? Stand up so we can talk, okay? Let's step on over here in the shade. What are you upset about?
My cousin. So my cousin had passed away, and I just need her. That's why I moved back. Cause I don't got no
Okay.
one. I just want my mom.
Why does that have to, why, okay. Well, your mom's not in your car when you were driving, right? So there's not a problem with you being out.
It's not, but I just I'm not from here. I don't like being alone.
And I'm going to work, if you're worried about that license plate, we're going to figure that out. That's not going to be a huge deal.
Please.
Let me tell you why I have officers here, okay?
Yeah.
In just a few seconds, I'm going to do a roadside evaluation to see if you've operated a vehicle while in a state of impairment off of the cannabis that you've been smoking. You can't operate a vehicle in Florida after you've consumed, ingested, or whatever controlled substances.
When I leave, like how I just walked out.
So we'll talk about all that.
I just left my mom, like literally, I just left her. And like in the parking lot, and then she told me to go drive the car and drop it off, and that's it.
Okay, and we'll figure that out.
She said she was gonna meet me. I just want my mom, please.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
I'm going to read you your Miranda warning.
Okay. Well, we got to do this first. Okay. Let's step away from this tree so I don't have this in my face. Here we go. Turn around and face me now. You're 21 years old. You're an adult. You know, there's some things that you're going to have to figure out on your own in your life, and this is one of them. It looks like. Okay. Just because you and I are talking doesn't mean you're in any trouble at all. All right. It just means you and I are going to have a conversation. I'm going to evaluate you to see. You've obviously been smoking some marijuana. Okay.
Yeah, at the house.
So, do you have a medical marijuana card?
No, I smoked at the house with my brother.
So
my mom was there.
When you smoke or when you drink alcohol or anything that is intoxicating, okay, you can't operate the vehicle.
No,
when that
but I was
intoxication
parked
gets
when I smoked.
Huh?
I was parked when I smoked.
But immediately after you're driving.
I can't.
It's like drinking six beers. It's like drinking 6 beers, waiting 20 minutes, and getting your car and driving. You didn't drink and drive at the same time, but you did after you had the intoxicating substance, okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So you and I are going to have a little evaluation going here. Doesn't mean you're in any trouble, though. All right. Part of that evaluation is I need to read to you what's called your...
It doesn't mean you're going to jail. It just means I want to ask you specific questions after. He reads it clean, no shortcuts.
What's called your Miranda warning. It doesn't mean you're going to jail. Have you ever heard your Miranda rights? You have the right to remain silent type thing? You ever heard that? It doesn't mean you're going to jail when you hear this. It means I want to ask you a specific question when I'm done, okay? If you'll listen closely to me, you have the right to remain silent. Okay, you listening? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. And you can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements.
Right to remain silent. Anything said can be used against you. Right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, one gets appointed. Textbook. And here's why that 30 seconds of procedure actually matters more than anything else in this video. Skip it, mumble it, or paraphrase it, and every single answer this girl gives afterward becomes inadmissible. Case law is brutally simple on this. Miranda isn't a suggestion, it's a gate. He opens the gate correctly. She walks through it. So you smoked marijuana before you drove. How long ago? Like 30 minutes ago.
Do you understand the rights? I read them to you.
Yes.
And having that in mind, are you willing to talk to me now?
Yes.
Okay, all right. It's going to be real simple. I'm not going to trick you, okay? I'm going to ask you some questions. I expect an honest response. Don't lie to me. I would rather you not answer than to lie, okay? So you already told me that you smoked a little bit of marijuana before you drove. About how long ago was that?
Probably like 30 minutes ago.
Okay. And you do not have a medical marijuana card?
No.
About how much marijuana do you have in the joint, we'll call it, that you smoke?
I only had a gram in the joint that I smoked.
1 gram,
Yeah.
okay. About an hour ago, 1 gram.
Yeah, 30 minutes, 1 gram.
Are you a diabetic?
No.
How much? A gram, I think. You got a medical card for that? No, I smoked at the house. My mom was there. And this is where the deputy does the thing that separates a competent stop from a lazy one. He doesn't jump straight to cuffs. He runs a full medical baseline first. Diabetes, epilepsy, prescriptions, injuries. Because a good DUI evaluation has to rule out every impairment explanation for slurred speech and unsteady balance before it can stand up in a courtroom. She mentions a broken tailbone she never got checked.
I am anemic.
Pardon me?
I'm only an anemic.
Okay. You don't have epileptic seizures? Do you see a doctor weekly or monthly?
No.
Okay.
My mom.
Are you prescribed any medications?
No.
Just what?
No, I'm
No?
not.
Okay.
The last thing I took was antibiotics, but I don't take them anymore.
Okay, that was a while ago. Okay. And then based on what you're telling me, then you have pretty good health, is that right?
Yeah, I used to pass out a lot, but I don't pass out no more.
Was that from anemia, being anemic?
Yes.
Okay. I noticed that you've walked without a cane, you've walked without crutches, you don't have a handicap placard in your car, so you don't have any physical defects that keep you from simply walking, turning, or doing motion, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I do have, like, my tailbone's broken. I was supposed to go get checked
Your
out.
tailbone?
Yeah, and I was supposed to go get checked out, but I never went, and I was like...
How do you know the tailbone's broken?
Because I went to the hospital.
Okay.
So,
and
like,
how long ago was that?
They told me I had chronic pain. It was in Atlanta, like, this year.
So it's been a while.
Yeah.
Is that why you smoke marijuana, for the chronic pain?
Yeah, and it helps me, like, sleep and stuff. Like, it helps me get through the night.
He notes it, doesn't dismiss it, and folds it into the record. That's not softness. That's evidence, proofing. Then the small talk starts, and it stretches. Family moving down from Rhode Island. A cousin who just passed away. That's actually why she's back. Chronic pain. Trouble sleeping. The deputy, almost gentle now.
If you smoke it for chronic pain, why don't you go get a medical marijuana card?
I just haven't had a chance to go back up north in Rhode Island from where I'm from.
Well, you can get one
I
here. Okay.
just came back from Georgia.
Yeah, if you're
So,
living here, you can get one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
That's something maybe you can work on later, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, are you feeling sick?
No.
You feel injured right now?
No.
Okay. I know what you're telling me about your tailbone. I believe you.
Yeah.
But it doesn't prohibit you from doing simple movements. You were
Yeah.
sitting on it without any special
Yeah, I know,
cushion,
I'm sorry.
or you have no
No,
cast.
I have a donut, but I just don't use it.
But it's not in that
Yeah.
car right now.
I bought it from a pharmacy, but it's not
Yeah.
prescribed.
But you're not using it right now.
No.
So it's not something that you're dependent on. It's something maybe that gives you a little more comfort, but it's not
Yeah,
something you're
it's-
dependent.
yes.
Okay. All right. And again, I've seen you walk over here. I've seen you even sit down on the ground and get up on your own.
Yeah.
So there's no problem there. Okay. Would you take off your glasses for me?
I can't.
Yeah, just take them off. Okay. Take them.
Tells her, you're 21. You're an adult. Some things you gotta figure out on your own. It's the kind of stretch competitor channels usually let run too long. So let's not. Because right in the middle of all that report, she blurts, "Am I getting a ticket?"
There's certain things their eyes do that a person that doesn't smoke cannabis their eyes won't do. So, do you smoke probably about a gram a day then?
Yeah, I don't smoke a lot. I don't. I really don't.
How many times a week do you think you smoke?
Probably like 3 or 4 times.
3-4 times,
Yeah,
and
when I like feel like I want to, like, or need it for like when I need to go to sleep and I have trouble sleeping.
Okay, all right. So about 3 or 4 times a week at a gram apiece. Okay. No other medications?
No. Am I getting a ticket?
You what?
Am I getting?
We haven't got anywhere.
Oh my goodness, we haven't gotten anywhere near that yet. A beat. Back to the tests. HGN. Walk and turn.
I'm running too,
Go ahead.
but I can't do this, right? You have to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. So I was going to say how I'd like to try,
We're just
but-
going to walk through this to see it.
Yeah, okay.
And I'll talk about what our plans are tomorrow after this. Actually, hey, if you want to do the HGN all over, if you want to start from there, you can go.
Yeah, just do the FSTs.
Do the what?
Do the whole FSTs.
Yeah, if you want to start the HGN all over again, you heard the interview. You don't have to do that over.
Yeah.
You can do the HGN and move right into the other two if you want. If you don't, I'll do it. I don't care.
Yeah, let me try it.
Yeah, sure, no problem. No, we're just gonna record on cameras. Yeah, I know I could, but
Go ahead, take your sunglasses off.
I'm not too worried about that.
Just focus on me, okay? Alright, see the tip of this pen? Alright, what color is that?
She's a heavy cannabis smoker.
Just go ahead and focus on here.
I got a funny story for you later.
Pardon me?
Said I have a funny story for you.
Yeah, don't tell me on camera. So. You're always good for a story.
Doesn't really matter, but it might be helpful to just keep them on.
wants to sit
It's not
down.
really that sunny right now.
It's not my sunglasses. It's my prescription.
Your prescription? Okay, you can keep them on there. Okay, if you want to come over here, we're gonna start the second test.
So I have to walk on that line.
Yeah.
Hey, the one thing I would offer to do is if she wants to remove the shoes and do it in her socks, she can.
Yeah.
1.
See the tip of this ink pen?
Yeah.
Follow the tip of that ink pen with your eyes, all right? Do not move your head. Do you understand? Here we go. Doing fine. Doing fine. Open up the eyes. Open them up. There we go. Don't move the head. Open up the eyes. Don't move your head. Open up the eyes for me. I'm just going to show him something.
Am I done yet?
You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Okay. Let's open your eyes up. Open your eyes. There you go. Follow the pen straight up. Do not move your head. This time I'm going to go around your head. I'll bring the ink pen towards your nose, but I will not touch you. Okay? Understand? All right. Open up your eyes. I'm not going to touch you with the pen. See that? Your eyes aren't. Yeah. Okay. Just relax. What I was showing him was your eyes are showing things. People that smoke cannabis regularly.
She counts out loud 21, 22.
Stand? Okay, you can begin the test.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Continue the test, just like I demonstrated. Just like I demonstrated.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, you can relax. It's gonna be the one-legged stand. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Until I tell you to stop. Yes, ma'am.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
All the way to 35, wobbling the whole time. And then it's over. We're gonna place you under arrest for suspected DUI.
Place you under arrest for suspected DUI, okay? Yep, just right now, alright? We'll explain more what's going on.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're under
just
arrest for operating a
keep
vehicle
facing that
intoxicated,
way.
man. That's the
Just relax.
toxicant we believe to be cannabis.
Can you call my mom?
We will take care of that.
Listen, I'm gonna double lock these so they don't tighten up on you, alright?
Can you call my mom?
Yep, we will.
Call my mom.
Take a 15, we're 10-15.
Mom.
Cuffs go on. She's calm, almost eerily calm, until the vehicle search starts. And this is where that sentence from the top finally lands. I have my cousin's gun on me.
We're gonna go
Would
over
you
here.
search her for us? Yeah.
You gonna stay right here?
Have anything
We're going to stay live for the vehicle search, then we'll be off.
I have my cousin's gun on me.
Pardon me?
I have my cousin's gun on me.
Stop. Stop. Don't reach.
I've got a gun, yep.
Wow, man.
Let go of it! Let go of it! Let go!
Let go.
Let go.
Let go of the gun!
I got it.
I'm sorry. Let go. Just take it out, please. I'm sorry. I'm scared. I'm traumatized.
We're calm, we're good.
Sorry, I can't breathe.
Well, you don't grab it if you fire it or you shot
Sorry,
somebody.
I'm sorry. I was gonna hand it to you. I'm sorry, sir. This is my cousin's gun.
Okay,
It's not
all
his.
right, we'll figure it out.
This is my ex-boyfriend's cousin.
Everyone freezes. Hands go to the weapon immediately, not because she's threatening anyone, but because an unsecured firearm on a detained, cuffed subject during a live search is the single most dangerous variable an officer can walk into. Let go of it. Let's go, let's go. 3 officers, 1 gun. And a girl repeating, I promise I will go to the gun range. Like that explains anything.
Can you call my mom?
No, you'll do that later. All right, let's finish the search.
Yep.
Get her a position we can.
Yep. Just make sure nothing else, right?
My life is over. I didn't do nothing, I promise. I go to the gun range. I'm clean. You can search me, I promise, yo. I promise, yo, my dead cousin. I don't got nothing. I go to the gun range with my brother and my cousin. Oh, man. I might be pregnant, too. I don't know.
All right, is she searched?
Yeah,
Bring her up. Go ahead and stand up.
I'm up.
Yeah, stand up.
Here we go.
Can you pick
Stand
my
up.
glasses?
Stand up, stand up.
Want me to take care of this?
Yeah. Let's finish the search and then
Y'all got me. It's cool.
All right.
I don't got nothing. I promise I'm clean. I didn't shoot nobody.
All right, well, we
I
got to
go the
continue
gun
what we're
range.
doing. All right, we're
You can
good.
see the paper behind. I go to the gun range. I promise you. I
Okay,
do.
I understand. You got a gun permit on you?
No, but I go to the gun range. They
Okay,
allowed
that's a
to.
concealed carry, but we can talk about that later.
I didn't know,
You're
I'm
comfortable with our
sorry.
search?
It doesn't. Florida's concealed carry statute doesn't ask where you shoot. It asks whether you disclosed it before the pat down. She didn't. That's the technicality this whole video hinges on. Not whether she owns the gun, but when she told them about it. So here's the verdict. For viewers, if you are stopped with a firearm on you, say so in the first 10 seconds, before hands start moving toward your car door, silence around a weapon reads as a threat even when your intentions aren't.
Brother, my cousin. Oh, man. I might be pregnant too. I don't know.
All right, is she searched?
Yeah,
Bring her up. Go ahead and stand up.
I'm up.
Yeah, stand up.
Here we go.
Can you pick
Stand
my
up.
glasses?
Stand up, stand up.
You want me to take care of this?
Yeah. Let's finish the search and then.
Y'all got me. It's cool.
All right.
I don't got nothing. I promise I'm clean. I didn't shoot nobody.
All right, well, we
I
got to
go the
continue
gun
what we're
range.
doing. All right, we're
You can
good.
see the paper behind. I go to the gun range. I promise you. I
Okay,
do.
I understand. You got a gun permit on you?
No, but I go to the gun range. They
Okay,
allowed
that's a
to.
concealed carry, but we can talk about that later.
I didn't know,
You're
I'm
comfortable with our
sorry.
search? All right,
They allow us to bring guns to the gun range, though.
okay. All right, it would have been nice if you'd have told us about it from the beginning.
You got a brown paper bag?
I probably don't, to be honest with you.
I got one in my trunk.
Yeah, go get it.
In my file folder, and like the second pocket, I got brown paper bags. Can you grab those out, please? Unless
I
you
wasn't
got
worried
brown
about the
paper
gun
bags.
until
No,
her hands got
that's
on
what
it.
I said,
Huh?
yeah.
I wasn't worried about the gun till her hands got
Right,
on it, and then she
right.
wouldn't release
That's
it.
the thing.
But she's going to pull the trigger, you know. All right,
Was there
It's in
one?
the trunk.
Was there one in?
he's going to.
Was there one in there? There wasn't one in the chamber?
Good job. What's it with you and guns, man? No shit. You're fine. Don't bang your head. That's just being silly. It's not going to get you anywhere. Just relax.
For departments, this stop is a template for how to do it right. Miranda read in full, medical baseline established, de-escalation maintained even when a gun surfaces. Grading time, the lead deputy, A-, lost half a point for letting the small talk run a little loose before snapping back to procedure. The backup officers on the gun recovery A, textbook restraint under real risk. Sydney, C, cooperative throughout, but the failure to disclose the firearm turned a DUI stop into something that could have ended a lot worse. Would you have told the officer about the gun before he asked? Or is she lucky those hands landed on the grip instead of the trigger? Drop your answer below, and if you want more of these broken down frame by frame, subscribe. There's a lot more Bodycam to get through.